Hello friends, I am Dr. Siraj Lakfazi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn carbohydrates. You know about the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the most abundant class of organic compound found in living organisms. They originate as products of photosynthesis and endothermic reductive condensations of carbon dioxide, requiring light energy and pigment chlorophyll. So you can see the reactions. The formation of many carbohydrate can be written as carbohydrate means their name. So carbohydrate. The carbohydrate are a major source of metabolic energy both for plants and animals that depends on plant for food. Aside from the sugar and starches that meet this vital nutrition role, carbohydrate also serve as a structural material. Cellulose, a component of the energy transport component ATP recognition site on cell surfaces, and one of three essential components of DNA and RNA. So carbohydrates are called saccharides if they are relatively small sugars. So simple sugar, what does it mean? Contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The name carbohydrate literally means water compound of carbon. The general formula for simple sugar is CnH2n whole unit. This class of compound is better described as polyhydroxyaldehyde and ketone. Polyhydroxyaldehyde and ketone. The simplest carbohydrates are glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone. So, method of classification. Several methods are used to classify carbohydrate. One method of classification is based on whether the carbohydrate can be broken down into a smaller unit. Monosaccharide cannot be broken down into a smaller unit by hydrolysis, sometimes called simple sugar. Disaccharide can be broken down into 2 monosaccharide units. Oligosaccharide can be broken into 3 to 6 monosaccharide units, and polysaccharide composed of 7 or more monosaccharide units. So friends, another method is based on the number of carbon found in a simple sugar. If it has 3 carbon, it is called triose, 4 tetrose, 5 pentose and 6 hexose. So aldose, a monosaccharide with an aldehyde group. Erythrose, monosaccharide with a ketone group. Fructose, you see the aldotriose, aldohexose and so stereo configuration of simple sugar. Carbohydrate contains many stereocenters. If the OH group is found on the right side of the carbon chain, the sugar is designed as D sugar. If the OH group found on left side of the chain of carbon, sugar is designed as L sugar. So you can see D aldotriose, L-aldotriose. So this is the D-erythrose, D-threose and further stereo configuration of simple sugar. So 5-member ring are known as furanose ring. You can see alpha D ribofuranose, beta D ribofuranose. So 6-member ring are known as pyranose. You can see beta D glucopyranose, beta D glucopyranose. So carbohydrate ionomers. Formation of either of the cyclic form has created a new stereocenter, and these stereomeric ring forms of carbohydrate are called ionomers. Ionomers are carbohydrates that differ by stereo configuration of the carbon involved in ring formation. The Greek letter alpha and beta are used to describe the configurations about the ring forming carbon. The alpha ionomers always has the OH group oriented in a downward fashion on the anomeric carbon of LIGO sugar. Beta ionomers always has the OH group oriented in the upward fashion on the anomeric carbon of this sugar. So, important carbohydrate. Carbohydrates, monosaccharide composed of 3 to 7 carbon atoms. Glucose, the most abundant hexose in our diet. the building block of complex carbohydrates, component of the disaccharide sucrose, maltose and lactose, found in the polysaccharide starch, cellulose and glycogen. So, galactose found in disaccharide lactose, found in the cellular membrane of the brain and nervous system. Galactose is the carbon 4 epimer of glucose. Now fructose, sweetest of the carbohydrate, component of the disaccharide sucrose, and fructose is ketose sugar. Now disaccharide composed of two monosaccharide, malt sugar used in cereals, candies and brewing of beverage, composed of two glucose sugar joined by an alpha 1,4 linkage. Now composed of two monosaccharide unit in lactose, milk sugar found in milk and milk product, composed of one lactose and one glucose unit joined by beta 1,4 linkage. Sucrose, table sugar, product of sugar and sugar beets, composed of one glucose and one fructose unit, and linkage is at the both anomeric carbon, you see. So cellulose, major structural material of plant cell. Starch, 1,4 linkage. Maltose is disaccharide starting material. Glucose found in rice, wheat, potatoes, grain and cereals. Polysaccharide, glycogen, dextrine, mixture of branch and unbranched soluble polysaccharide produced by partial hydrolysis of starch by acid or amylases. Reducing sugar, any sugar that contains either a free aldehyde group and a hydroxy ketone groups and hemiacetylene. The presence of any of these groups allow the carbohydrate to undergo easy oxidation. So if sugar get oxidized, it causes reduction. Thus the name reducing sugar. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.